Hello everybody, this is Phil, Kilo Mike 4 Oscar Papa, with a few items here. All microphones, Shure microphones. This is one of the receivers here. They're wireless mics. This one comes with a headset. I guess you can add your own microphones if you want to, but this one has this headset, the Shure WH20, which I have right here, the microphone headset. And this is the transmitter. This is the transmitter for it. You got all your controls up top. This clips onto your belt. And when you turn it on, it gives you an indication on the receiver that it is receiving a signal right here. Turn it on here. There you go, that lit up right there. I'll turn it off. Turn it off. You lose it. Turn it on. And it comes on. You can also mute it from the transmitter. Clips onto your belt, like I said. Sure. Right now, in the back, it has XLR out, and you can go line in with a phono plug. You got high C, you got level control. You got the manuals for a lot of the stuff. Another thing is that, see this blue stuff here? That's just some plastic covering that somebody left on too long, so it's a little hard to get off now, but it will come off. I peeled a lot of it off. I have it through the XLR into my DX10 here, and I'm going to go ahead and transmit. I'm not going to put it on around my neck. I'm just going to talk into it, and we'll see here. There's a contest going on. You'll see my audio here, if you can see that. Let's see, I'm gonna use a PTT to transmit. 1 2 1 2, see my audio there? 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, but I can also use the Vox. If I turn my Vox on, 1 2 1 2, you go 1 2. I don't have it set up, but as you can see with the Vox, that's all you need, and you can walk around and transmit remotely. Let's see if somebody will hear me. Actually, I talked to somebody earlier. There's a contest going on though. Let's see. I'll go with PTT. Let me find a strong station.
I got you at 5757. Roger, Roger.
Let's see. So this mic.
Thank you for being there. And I'll go back to net.
No, that's a net. I see. Kilo Mike 4 Oscar Papa.
No.
I see these guys give me a break.
Please, people don't remember you.
Kilo Mike 4 Oscar Papa for a quick one. Yeah, this is Kilo Mike 4 Oscar Papa. My name is Phil. I'm just doing a little test. I'm sorry to interrupt. How's my audio? I'm trying out a microphone. Over.
This is Killer Charlie for November Alpha Papa here in Central Florida. I'll give 5'9", pure strong audio.
Okay, I'm in Central Florida myself. I'm in Palm Bay, Florida. I'm using a wireless mic. I just want to see if it's doing good, so I appreciate it.
It works in the needed.
Thank you, sir. I'll let you continue. 7-3, Kilo Mike 4 Oscar Papa.
How does that work? Wireless mic.
It's a Shure wireless mic that, you have the transmitter on your belt, and then you have a headset, then you can put different mics if you want to, but it's made for like entertainment, music, and stuff like that. Oh, it has XLR output and has phono output, and I have it. I have my XLR to my radio. Roger.
Yeah, that's interesting. I don't know anything about it, you know. What I've never seen it happen yet, but this is interesting. So you have a module that connects to the radio, and then you just go add Wi-Fi or something else to it, to the radio.
No, no Wi-Fi. It's just a microphone, a wireless headset with a transmitter that goes on your belt, and then there's a receiver, a Shure receiver that has an output of XLR or phono output, and I have that through my XLR going. That's usually on my microphone, and it goes into my radio. So it's a transmitter, audio transmitter, receiver, and then into the radio. QSL.
What is the name of it and the model number? Let me look at it.
All right, it's a Shure. I gotta get the model number. Well, the microphone, the model number is Whiskey Hotel 20, Whiskey Hotel 20, and the model number of the receiver. I'll come back in a minute. I'll give it to you because I'm doing a little video because somebody wants some information on it. QSL.
Okay, all right. I want to have a look at it too. When you're able to let me have it, let me. I didn't write down what you said a while ago. I missed it.
I'll be back in a few minutes. KM4OP.
Okay, that's interesting.
Okay. So you see the microphone works and they give me good reports. I have a few other mics. I have another Shure transmitter. Basically the same, except this one is a phono input. You can use any microphone that has a phono connector on it. And it has a separate receiver. This receiver here. So I don't have a microphone with that connector at the moment, but the receiver works. I can, it's just 12 volts. I'll switch over to this one. 12 volts there, so it lights up. I don't have you gotta put a 9-volt battery inside these things. Let me pull out, I hope this video is not too long, but I'll put a 9-volt battery out of this one. There it goes. And then it'll tell you here which direction a 9-volt battery goes. You look in there. So positive is on this side, like that. And here's the controls here. So when you turn it on, it should light up, power on. There it goes. See the receiver lit up in yellow there. So since I don't have a mic for it, there's no way I'm gonna be able to try it out. This one has a phono output also in the back. See back there. So that's that one. So they work pretty good. So it'll be the mic with all the both of these. The manual. Actually, I have another couple of transmit NAD systems. This is untested. It got the receiver. Let me focus this. It has the receiver and a couple of two transmitters, and it's got mics attached. These lapel type of microphones attached. I have 2 of them, but these I haven't tested. But I'd include it with the whole deal if somebody wants all of it. So I have those. I have these Shure microphones. These are pretty expensive mics, but I'm selling the whole package together. I don't know if people have seen these. These are little test microphones. That's the model number. This one's new. It's got all the paperwork in there. This one will actually plug into one of those transmitters, but I believe these need some phantom power. I'm not sure, but you can also hook it up to wire it up with the XLR that it brings in there. I'm trying to do this, talk a little fast because I don't want to make a real long video. So I have 2 of these. This one here is a different model number. Is it? Yeah, it's a different model number, but it's basically the same thing. These are really clean. This one has a lapel mic in here also. I'm selling all as is. This one has paperwork in it too, and it's got the XLR. Never been connected. So these go for about $200-something. But I'm gonna post it. All one package deal. Whatever I have is all going together. But you see good reports with the audio. So anybody with interest, send me an email. My focus is gone. What happened? Send me an email, km40p@yahoo.com. Thanks.